G'day, my name is Millie Ross. I'm a gardener. I work for Gardening Australia and I work both behind the scenes. I work as a writer and a researcher, so we work out all the stories that are on the show. But you also see my garden and my dog Squid on the television from time to time. And I've had lots of great teachers through my life in all sorts of ways, even though I wasn't always the best student and I'm not always the best learner, but I've had plenty of people try. Probably my first favourite teacher, the one that I remember from primary school, was Miss Beckett. She was my classroom teacher and also my maths teacher, and she made maths part of my everyday life. I think she had the best knack of making sure that we knew why we were learning something, and it came down to a simple thing like taking us all on an excursion and buying us all an ice cream, and I'm pretty sure we had to work out the maths on that. It made it relevant to our lives. Fast forward about 10 years, my teacher Straz, he was my English literature teacher, and he was a pretty out there guy, and he allowed us to be who we were and to think outside the box. And one of the things I think Straz really taught us was where to look for meaning in between little bits of writing. So what is that writer trying to say that isn't obvious on the page? I reckon that lesson of observation has taken me into my life as a gardener. I always look for the meaning. You see something flower, why is it flowering today and not yesterday? You see something set seed, well, you ask yourself, why is it doing it, and where is that seed going to land and what's going to be tomorrow? So I reckon it doesn't matter who's teaching you. You're teaching and you're learning goes on long after you leave the classroom, and you can look for those little lessons everywhere. It's the best fun in life.